If you were to ask any of my engineers what their job is, they're going to tell you their job is customer service. They won't tell you that their job is to fix computers or their job is IT. The reason that distinction is important is because if your job is IT, if your job is to fix computers, what you care about and the thing that you focus on is the technology, the thing, the gadget. If your job is customer service, your job is to take care of that customer. We provide customer service by managing their IT infrastructure, but the focus is on the individual and not what the individual is using. Our job is to make sure that they're able to do their job.
The Greater Fort Walton Beach Chamber of Commerce mission is we are a community development organization that advocates for businesses across Okaloosa County, creating greater opportunities for all. Well, it's a world now we live in. IT is it. Now, there's some of us who know how to just turn on and hope it works, and there's others who make it work.
Back in 2015, we made the decision to partner with BitWizards. We weren't really receiving what we needed from our previous provider. We were ready to make some technology improvements.
When we first took on the Fort Walton Beach Chamber, they had an on-prem server where most of their files and other information resided. We took a look at it and saw which information could be migrated to Office 365 SharePoint.
That's been really a great opportunity for us to get our data into a cloud-based infrastructure where we can access that data from anywhere. And of course, the security and knowing that we can recover.
We were chatting just the other day about what we're going to do if there's a hurricane. We haven't had any in a long time, thank goodness, and we hope we never will. However, the simple answer was, BitWizards has got it covered. We couldn't be happier. I asked Seth, I said, what do we need to do? He says, we got it. It's in the cloud, we got it taken care of. We'll wrap up the computers, but if there is a hurricane or inclement weather, everything is running smoothly like it's a sunny day in the summer.
So we back up all of our clients' data. And by all of our clients' data, I mean we back up all of our clients' data. If their on-site infrastructure is damaged or destroyed, we can restore that same day.
In every role that I've had through my professional career, I've always kind of been the IT management resource in-house. It's not a very efficient operation when somebody who has a limited skill set is trying to handle big issues.
Monitoring and managing an IT infrastructure for a business is a full-time job. And it's a full-time job for multiple people. For a single person who has other things to do, they simply don't have the time.
Most small to medium-sized businesses, if they could afford full-time IT, it's one, maybe two people. There are many different facets to IT, so having a larger team that has a breadth of knowledge, taking on an MSP, you get that expert in all the different areas without having to pay for that many different people.
A lot of IT providers kind of want to put you in a box and deliver what they think is best for you without really evaluating your work habits, your team members, and making sure that the fit is ideal for your organization. That was where we really loved the fact that BitWizards came in. They really got a good understanding for what we needed, didn't try to sell us anything we didn't need, and just tailored it to meet our specific needs for this organization.
The part that I like about BitWizards is their involvement in our community. That is the key difference. They have transformed Okaloosa County through their sponsorship, through their involvement with many of the local optional sales taxes, many of the Honoring Our Heroes events. Very few companies in the world are as engaged in their community as BitWizards is.
I think my favorite thing about BitWizards is the way I feel coming away from every interaction. I always have complete confidence, and I always feel like it was just a pleasant interaction. That's so uncommon in today's world. There's so much poor customer service out there.
We're not hiring people who are just going to fix your problem. They're going to help you find the best solution. Obviously, it's a common trope for IT people to not be, people-oriented, we'll say. All of our team, we work very hard on training them and working with them to be good at interacting with people, giving that service, and not just getting the problem fixed, but making sure that you are feeling heard and connected throughout the process.
BitWizards makes my job extraordinarily easy because they identify and resolve problems before we ever realize they're problems. Most companies are reactive and you've got a long lead time after you request service, whereas usually I get a call before I even know that we have a problem, and a technician is already resolving it before I even notice it's disrupting any of our service.
I would recommend BitWizards to any small business, to any large business, to any business, not only here in Okaloosa County and Northwest Florida. BitWizards is the perfect organization to take care of your IT needs.